Is Givvy App really a great way to make money online for free, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and in this Givvy App review, I will give you an inside look and show you exactly how it works, how much you can earn, and if it will be worth your time or not. So let's just start by going over who can join. You can in theory join from more or less all countries. The way to find out exactly if it's available in your country or not, if you think it sounds interesting after watching this video here, is to go to either Google Play or to the App Store. Here it's however called Givvy Play. But in Google Play, it's just called Givvy. And then if it's available, then you can download it and you can log in and start earning right away. You actually don't even have to create an account or password. And I will now pull it up on my screen here so I can show you inside and you can see how it works and if it will be worth your time. So I have now pulled Givvy up on my screen here, and I am now inside, and you can see down here some different tabs, and I'm on this tab which will show you the main earning methods here. And one of the ways you can earn in here is, for example, by taking surveys. And I must admit, at first when you join Givvy App, it's actually a little bit confusing compared to many other apps where you can earn, because usually apps are super easy to figure out and to navigate on, but that's not really the case in Givvy, in my opinion anyways. But this is where you find the surveys. However, Givvy does not have its own surveys, so you just need to click the start button there, and then a survey router will open up, meaning an external provider, and you can take a survey there. Exactly what type of surveys that will be available at any given time will depend on your country. So the provider will vary from country to country and from time to time. And it can also often take quite a bit of patience to find the surveys you actually qualify for. As you can see, Givvy itself says that less than 10% of the surveys that are attempted here are actually completed. So you just need to be aware that it will take some patience to find the surveys here. But Givvy also has other ways to earn. There are, for example, different games you can see if you scroll over here. So these ones are games, and you can just click them and then play the games, and you can earn a few coins there. Coins is what you earn in here, and I will then go later into what you can get for these coins. There are also some tasks here and other offers. This is more similar to the offer walls you can find on other platforms. However, there are not as many and they do not pay quite as well. So also here it can take quite a bit of patience to earn anything. And depending on the country you live in, there might not always be tasks available. So you can also go to this section down here, and here there are different giveaways, and then you can see exactly when it finishes and how much you can earn. And then also in this case here, you'd have to pay a certain number of coins to participate. So this is basically just lotteries. So if you feel like gambling a bit, then you can invest 10 coins here and potentially then earn 55 cents in this case, but that depends on the giveaway. There are several giveaways every day. So there are different ways to earn on Givvy. As you can see, I'm not super impressed by them, but what you also need to consider is then how you can get these earnings out. And you can see here, if you go to this icon here, you get to the payout section. And here you can also see exactly how much the coins are actually worth. You can see 119 Givvy coins is worth 1 cent. So you need quite a lot of coins to be able to take your earnings out. But luckily they have a very low payout threshold, so it will actually not take too long, even though you do not get super high rewards here. You can see that if you click to actually withdraw, you can see that you have the option to choose either Revolut here, or you can also click there and choose PayPal. So the payout methods are quite good. For Revolut, you can see down here, the minimum threshold is only 10 cents. It's a very low payout threshold, and that's definitely a big plus there. And if we then check PayPal, you can see the minimum withdrawal amount is only 29 cents. Again, the payout threshold is extremely low, and this is definitely the biggest advantage of Givvy, in my opinion, is that you can very quickly take your earnings out, and that weighs up a little bit for the fact that it takes a lot of effort to actually earn money here. But if you just want to earn a bit to take it out quickly, then it will not take long here. So as you can see, there is not much more to show inside Givvy. In one sense, it's fairly straightforward, but it can also be a little bit confusing at first because it's not that intuitive. There are a lot of little extra things you can click to get free coins once in a while and things like that. So you need to just click around a bit and take a bit of of patience to actually figure it out. But I definitely hope that this video and tutorial has helped you to get a good start and find the main earning methods in there. But it's not a super effective app if you want to earn for free. The rewards are not very high, so it takes quite a bit of patience to earn here. Some of the earning methods are kind of unique, so you cannot find them other places, but most of the, for example, offers or surveys you can find in other survey apps where you will earn more for it. But what I definitely like about Givvy is that it has a very low payout threshold and you can get your earnings out in a convenient method. So now you know exactly what to expect, and then you can easily decide for yourself if you think that this is the right opportunity for you or not. If you want to know even more details about Givvy, or if you want to see what in my opinion are more effective ways to earn, then I have more information about that on my website paidfromservice.com, and I will leave a link to that below this video here, so make sure to check that out. And also, if this video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service sites, get paid to sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the side online.